How to make your Twitter account private. If you want to make your Twitter account private, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all launch the Twitter app, and this is the kind of interface that you will see. From here, what you have to do is to simply tap on the profile icon from the top left, then simply go to settings and support and go to settings and privacy. Now from settings and privacy, to make your account private, go to the option called privacy and safety. Then from here you can simply go to audience and tagging. Then all you have to do is turn on this option that says protect your post. Only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your post. So if you turn this on, your account will be set to a private account. You can also choose to protect your videos. If selected videos you post or send via DMs will not be downloaded, you can also turn off photo tagging so that people will not be able to tag you at all. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.